Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to make a expansion tile in Flutter. So without wasting the time, let's go to the screen. So first of all, we are going to make an app bar, and after making an app bar, we have to remove this constant. And in the app bar, we are going to give the title as expansion tile. We are going giving the title expansion tile. So after giving the app bar and title in the app bar, we are going to give this background color of the app bar as blue gray. So we have changed the color of the app bar. You can see the color of the app bar is changed. Now the main point comes in. We have to make the expansion tile. So in body, we are giving the expansion tile, and we give the expansion tile, and after giving the expansion tile we are giving the title, and we are going to give the title as text and animal. We are giving the title of the expansion tile as animal. You can see the expansion tile is showed in the screen, and we are going to give the style in the text of expansion tile. So we are taking style and text style text, and we will change the font size. After changing the font size, we are going to change the font weight of the text, and after changing the font weight, we are going to change the colors dot red accent. After giving the style to the text of the expansion tile, we are going to do what? We are going to give add the items in the expansion tile. So are we going to take the children in the expansion tile, and in the children we are taking list tile to show the items in the expansion tile. So first of all, we are going to give the title to the list tile, and first we are taking dog, or you can take anything which are needed by you. So we are just taking the names of some animals, and after that we are going to give the tile colors. So tile colors dot green. We have to put the comma here, and after that we are going to do what? We are going to give on tap. If you want to navigate from here to any other screen, you can add the path. We are just giving on tap. We have to add the constant modifier here. After giving these three property, we are going to take a size box of height around 5. We are taking this size box, and in the size box we are giving the height 5. After giving the height 5, we are going to copy this list tile and paste it 4 more times. So let's copy it and paste it here 4 more times. Then we have 5 items in the expansion tiles. So now let's change this, the tile color and the title of the list tile. We are going cat and changing the color to yellow, and we have to change the color of another list tile. So by changing the color, we want to show you how to make the list tile more attractive by changing the colors, giving it blue, and giving the title to the donkey. These are the just animal name to show you how to make the expansion tile perfectly. We are changing the color and putting the size box to making gap between the list tiles, and we can take it a big here. After that we can see that our expansion tile is ready, but some things are more can be customized. So after giving this, we are going to copy the style from the text of the expansion tile and paste it here in all the text. So by doing this, all the text style of the text in the expansion tiles are changed. We can see that now we have to change the text color of the expansion. So we have to giving here black. So we this is looking cool. We are giving it black, not a red. Black here and black. So we can that it is more visible than the red accent. So we can add a padding here in the expansion tile, so it looks more good. Padding, and padding we are giving edge insets dot all, no all, and we are giving around 20. So we have to add the constant. We can see that it's looking more beautiful. So our expansion tile is ready. We can add more items here. According to our need, we can customize it more. Now we have to in the background color, background color of the scaffold background colors dot. We can add accent, amber accent. Now we are giving the amber. Give it to the amber. It looks more cool. Amber. Now it's look cool. And we can see that our expansion tile is ready. We can make it more attractive by giving it more time according to our need. So let's see the code first. We are giving scaffold and app bar. We can make the app bar more cool by giving this toolbar height and by making center title true, and also by giving the style to the text of the app bar by copying style from here. We are going to paste it in the app bar text and changing the color of the text. Now look, it's looking more cool. We can see that our expansion tile is almost ready. Now we have to do nothing here. We can see the code first for learning. There is a bar and here is the title true and is the background color of the bar. We can see the toolbar had background color, and this is, and we are giving the text style expansion tile. It's all about app bar. Now let's see the style, and now comes to the body where we give padding to the expansion tile, and now expansion tile, and after we are giving this list tile, and on tab or these list tiles are right here, so we can see that. So our expansion tile is almost ready.